tuned out the People's TV show. Left feeling sorry when the river's low. Saw last week about an hour ago, but doesn't let on that he knows. Well, keep you black-minded as he spins his yarn of angels existing on a dead man's charm. Oh, what's the harm? Because he tells unending events and none the same as he clatters on his rattle train. Tells it like it is. She gets to the point quicker than quick. Observes eyeing questions and states her wit. Oh, she's an old youngster and a knowing chick. Somewhere hell and bent comes at you at an angle that came and went aside. Long for that ride. She thinks with her comfort, complains as she crawls off the wall to a rattle train. In the winter he goes out without his socks. Always wears a jacket when the summer's hot. All the social diseases he hasn't got is the light at the end of his tunnel of rock. Well, the wind whips heavy inside his head as words tumble out when the heart is fed. That's what I said. So tell me, what's the purpose and where's the gain as he slinks back onto his rattle train? Oh, rattle train, chugging around the bend. I hear that whistle blow, hopping freights again. Rattle, skedaddle, fiddle, faddle, all that bow and you're hauling cattle. My brain is addled, oh, 'cause it's all ramshackled. Blame, shame, drain, pain, it won't come back. Click, clack, down the track.